If you're seeing the invalid date error in Trello, don't worry. This is a common issue, and it's usually caused by a simple formatting or browser problem. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through exactly why Trello shows the invalid date error and how to fix it quickly, whether you're on desktop, browser, or mobile. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss the automation fix, because that one catches a lot of people off guard. And if this helps you out, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple Trello tutorials. Let's get started. The most common reason you're seeing invalid date in Trello is using the wrong date format. Trello reads dates based on your browser or system locale settings. If you manually type a date in a format Trello doesn't recognize, it will immediately throw the error. For example, in the United States format, Trello expects mm/dd/YYYYY, like 02/28/2026. You can also type something like Feb 28 2026, and that usually works. However, typing 28/02/2026 may fail depending on your region settings. Formats like 2026/28/02 will almost always fail. Extra spaces, symbols, or partial dates can also cause the issue. The safest fix here is simple. Stop typing the date manually and use Trello's calendar picker instead. Click into the due date field and select the date directly from the calendar. This avoids formatting errors completely. If you're already using the correct format and still seeing the error, the next thing to check is your system or browser locale settings. Trello relies on your device's regional format to interpret dates. If your system is set to a different region than the format you're typing, Trello can get confused. On Windows, go to Settings, then Time and Language, then Region, and temporarily switch the regional format to United States. On Mac, go to System Settings, then General, then Language and Region, and adjust it there. You can also check your browser language settings inside Chrome or Edge under Settings and Languages. After changing anything, refresh Trello and try again. Another very common cause is corrupted browser cache or an extension conflict. Certain productivity extensions, automation tools, or date formatting extensions can interfere with how Trello processes input fields. First, try a hard refresh by pressing Ctrl-Shift-R on Windows or Command-Shift-R on Mac. If that doesn't fix it, open Trello in an incognito or private browsing window. If the error disappears there, an extension is likely the problem. Disable your extensions one by one to find the culprit. You can also clear your browser cache and cookies, then reload Trello and test again. If you're using the Trello desktop app or mobile app, the issue might be app-specific. Log out of your Trello account and log back in. Then check if there's an available app update and install it. If the problem continues, open Trello in your web browser and test the same action there. If it works in the browser but not the app, reinstalling the app usually fixes the glitch. Now, let's talk about a more advanced scenario. If you're seeing the invalid date error inside a Butler automation rule, it's usually because a date variable is empty or incorrectly formatted. For example, if you write a command like set due date to card name, that will fail because Trello expects a real date value. Instead, use valid commands like set due date to today, set due date to tomorrow, or set due date to a specific date format recognized by Trello. Always double-check that any variable you reference actually contains a date value. Here's a quick troubleshooting checklist. Use the calendar picker instead of typing manually. Check your system region and browser language settings. Try incognito mode. Disable extensions. Clear cache. Update or reinstall the app if needed. And review any Butler automation rules carefully. That's it. One of these fixes will almost always resolve the Trello invalid date error. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more Trello tips and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.